welcome back to another random pack a day. I'm Pokemon, and let's see what the wheel will give me today. So it's given me, it's hard to tell, Pokemon Go. So let's open this one and see what I'll get today. And code, because I feel like I've got enough myself. And today I'm going to get a Fire Energy, and it's a grass. So, nope, didn't choose right. Rattata and a Lapras. So, let me just get the folder and see if I need any of those. So, I've opened actually a few more myself, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I did. So Rattata, I need a shiny, and Lapras. I don't need because I have both of them. So that's that pack. So pull this side and tie that up. Energy off to the side. And grab another pack. Took it there. And thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another video.